Welcome to this 3 minutes tutorial. Today we're gonna talk about the general bathymetric chart of the ocean, also called the GEBCO project. So it was first launched in 1903 by the Prince Albert I of Monaco, and it's part of the global project of the UNESCO program, which aims at providing us with an overall shape of the seafloor. So if you go to the GEBCO website, you will be able to download bathymetric grids and to use them for your own research as a scientist. It's based on the completely free and open access of the data, and it relies on a public corporation, so basically every scientist in the world will be able to contribute to the collection of this data. What you can do with this, as I said, you can get access to bathymetric grids, so you can download file which will gather all the GEBCO data, and it's called the global GEBCO, and it's updated every single year. So now it's 2019. It's a big file in which you have different formats, different files that you can use in different pieces of software, such as ArcGIS if you want to create a map, for example, for your research. If you want only a limited amount of data to download, you will have to use this application, which is also on the website of GEBCO. So you go there, you just select your area. Let's say you're working in the North Atlantic, you select your area, you have all the boundaries written there, latitude, longitude. You can also enter them manually. You will have to select the formats in which you want to extract your data, and then the software will just estimate the size of the file that you will need to download. You add it to the basket and then you download it. If the file is too big, they will send you a link, maybe in 15 minutes, once the data will be available for you to download actually. You can also have access to different maps online thanks to the web map service on the website of GEBCO. Also, you will have to request the service by providing them with your email address, and they give you access to different kind of maps that you can use for your research, presentation, etc. You can also find a limited amount of maps in the printable maps and a historical chart, for example, on the website of GEBCO. More than that, you have other features such as information about the training camp on the website itself to become the next scientist able to map the seafloor. And you have more information about the Seabed 2030 project, aiming at being able to have a complete map of the seafloor, 100% of it mapped by 2030. So if you want to go further and this video was not enough, you have a complete access to an historical and an updated version of a cookbook, basically, which will give you the recipe on how to use GEBCO for your own research.